NDC or standard.
Omunya standard. Ento omu be di atam di aba ba mu. Na so omu ba na ya boy nsema mu omu. Why? Na ya. Na Sam.Ge0rge timi adu oba be si atam o se ozu odi na atam wa se. Grant me into data. Na data 1 gig 3 cedis. And not the same data 1 gig, you know. I have about 9 cedis. Now, me useless minister way to be charitable to him.
I was a former money na makwaba Edbagan and Sam TV so. One more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications. Say next time videos of this nature about so submit to my cabin so watch their waging or comment section or them. Say the money down if Mr. President. Maybe we be from Mr. President Sam.Ge0rge also. Who text me Mr. President or comment section Sam.Ge0rge also. Who see me TikTok na pay Mr. President Sam.Ge0rge also sir. Kwa dey baby agenda MPP. So the money in the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. They join the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party amenu kono. They are about power 2028 inshallah. Dr. Ladma president. Now also the upper about be aso selkebi. Na my kan yi you are John the money Muhammad the book at neze ebu idie. Ya me ni amre am fa the Messiah Dr. Ladma Mbami amade na sase bebe fiu. Now once again me catch a gun and mabunu nyina say amanyo sem ne yeye no. Eye da chinti ne ya amanyo sem nya imprinting ya amanyo sem. De wo ye bia no wo ye no adwo say inti da chi bia no. Would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? You shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma to me say fa bedi manfo nanim ya ma to me say fa be your hu yi. It is all your software. O ye ordinary Ghanaian. O ye educationist. O ye medical doctor. O ye hwanhwani. Once I have an opportunity to serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a home bachelor.
Now your house in shame. NDC or standard.
Omunya standard. Ento omu be di atam di aba ba mu. Na so omu ba na ya boy nsema mu omu. Why? Na ya. Na Sam.Ge0rge timi adu oba be si atam o se ozu odi na atam wa se. Grant me into data. Na data 1 gig 3 cedis. And not the same data 1 gig, you know. I have about 9 cedis. Now, me useless minister way to be charitable to him. This useless minister. Now, when Sam near to one area boy and some man. When he says, on workers and anado, a useless president, he's being charitable. Like I go across useless. Sam.Ge0rge way out to it. So the same standard. Why not in this town? And not Sami Jamfi, any project and film Gina Chromo, Kum Nanado, my Kum, what is annual? Didn't do here. Sanyum Kwana Kum Drama. Sanyum Kwana, say, Nanado, sell man in Yamin Kunumayano, Sanyum Kwana, Kum Drama, because I was our man, and yet, and get home to a. As I know the way, I come away in the after the mutufu. Or after the mutufu. Has happened to a tia bread. Hey, I'm on penny Jelly John Rollins Tiasse. Or class has him, but that time people insults in him. What's here every before? They don't waste their time on insults. They no, they don't waste their time on insults. Our these people, they are mouth like asses. Mr. 2008. Say fellas kwatch of Ofui. Okuje to abla. Rom timi ya nanado. A woti kuraba so. E social media. We saw it. O da akwa boy man boy ga be so na so ndo hunu so area go kan ma ba chie. So, na self to no ma mutu tutu no. Da na ko so mutuo. When we were doing something better. Yet to Kromano, no almost free or man penina ba the cheba liar. This set of headless ministers. Our best woman who Bahampomfa or my yishim. No more free man penina ba the cheba liar. And I catch as only ministers of state. And the Akasi cut the same thing at your home. enim bi no a o picture beto social media na TV la da wo mo nche pa na wo mo tofie e ma o mampanyi dada akra yam hye no bread and a done in Japan no we social media you bet me post pictures no social media some ministers here there o mu kasa ye ho te say you know tea bread and what ya bonti and wo we pa no
and no for flight ko to lunch
adai ye dey this baba dey na mutu for any amu nya abotere ye wo ha no mo ye hu say Broja Jamfi he is a deputy minister of defense now. And when I say Broja Jamfi, I remember say he is far from Broja Jamfi. I can tell you, me link me to him. I won't so on your. But what the matter for? About didn't you see? How are you so social media? Oh, children acquire a first home to buy a basmasa. What happened during the elections? Why the two for say? Sign your manama already yet. After the AIB before I see a power. Not the Amoya and yet I'm pa. Times 3 per mudia musu.
Why times 3 no bisa se ti da be na to be twa.
Ada to be twa ya da Ghana beguo. Because
Ghana dey be say
no hasi aboni free nkrai. Mo anka hwe. O ma ba twamu nkokọ. Di antro no mo mpa meto ye. What did I tell you?
Mate.
Okay.
President Mahama owo position the obetro letter. But the letter no I don't think so dim be bia.
Enipa no kura chichi wo mu na wo mo ka na na do 8 no. 8 no kura wo mo ka no. 8 no mo ka no. If they will be fair to themselves, most of them were arrested on at demonstration grounds. Na so what here videos wo kasa. Because demonstration no my demonstration excessive am na bro so.
Oliver dom de ni.
They were arrested at demonstration grounds.
Echo hospital.
Very good. Not what here video so not to post to be on social media. They are here video so e kwachi wo mo no. Everybody me see tape no. So almost wo mo pa, almost am mo bi wo compared to abronya there. So almost am kwachi nkrofo ni bi ma. Sa Mugabe ma asem asem no. Do I see what person was proper justification between the abronya kan no and the Mugabe ma asem no ye na achi wo no. Omo buta puru mienu e ma Ghana fo nyina nti.
He is not of himself. He is not of himself. It is the presence of God that has come upon him.
Now,
now these spirits will come to turn the minds of Ghanaians. And the hearts of Ghanaians in the direction. They'll turn in the direction of the person or the people who God has not appointed. And that will be what the spirits which will be riding black horses will do when they come to Ghana. They want things to be rough. That's what they will do. But the light which was departing and my service, at the time when the voice was speaking, and whilst my knees were grounded, they said to me, that is why we are going to speak through you to the nation in this time. Now that God has appointed you a prophet, because you have declared the intents of God and the mind of God to the nation, the spirits of the devil which will attempt to enter the nation.
You can sit here and say, under your 8 years, telescope cry yantimi anya day, Antomani so na minima dry, yantimi antobi, Obia provided ambulance for each constituency. A come out when who constituency be one na region who be. You sit on a Doom FM and say for 8 years. Tell me that Obia come any the cinema.
For ourselves. And when some of my party people say that when the tables turn, they will do the same, they are not playing.
Yes, it's wrong.
They are not playing. It will be escalated. because people are writing it. People are noting it. And I started talking about this in 2025 when I said that I admit, whenever there is a change in government, there were a lot of things, some of these things happen. Can we agree to put a stop to it?
Yes.
And say that enough is enough? Let's begin to halt some of these things. When I said that, some of my NDC friends agreed with me. Some too felt like, hey, we've come to power, we should continue. You think that you go and arrest somebody for speaking, and when the table turns, that person has forgotten about you. They will come after you in multiple fold, and we'll be having the same conversation. I am saying what I am saying today because when the table turns, and somebody in my party is doing it to you, I can still speak because I'm speaking against it now, and I spoke against it then. Why are we doing this to ourselves, Alfred?
Okay.
That we say we have a law that says that nobody is above the law, including the judge. Well, we know in this country when judges took goats and money as bribes and skilled judgment. Have you gone to the magistrate court and the small courts in the district before? I was an MC. There were occasions that I went to those courts. You weep when you see how citizens are being treated in those places where there are small lawyers, and some of them don't even have representation. So the reality is that indeed there can be judges that can be political. They are not above the law. If you are a judge and I have a case before you, and I think that you are singling me out and you are trying to use your position to come after me, there is a law that allows me to call you out and even petition and get you removed. So if for whatever reason you think that somebody has said that a certain judge is a political judge, it is not the police that comes to arrest the person and throws the person to jail. I am saying this because I'm saying this not because I support what the person has said. Hear me well. I am saying that whether you are the president, you are the chief justice, you are whatever it is, when somebody comes after your person or your integrity, the laws are there. It doesn't include police kidnapping me and putting me in jail. It says that I should take you on and let you prove how I became political. And if you fail to do that, the laws will punish you, which if it includes jailing, you are jailed. But the situation where we find ourselves today, that if the thing goes against people in government, then we weaponize it and call it hate speech and peddling falsehood. That is the danger that I am worried about, and I think nsUlt should also worry about. Now, Alfred, let's look at all the 17 issues. None of them are issues that nsUlt will say with my mouth, or would even go into a meeting and tell my party person to say it. But the question is, since when did it become a crime? The things they've said. We're in this country, when nsUlt and his party, including senior members of this government, were on the street, the communications officer of the NDC, Sam.Ge0rge, saying exactly what this lady has said today. In fact, what this lady has said today that she said, Kuna na do mami, eradie kuna na do mami.
And we sang it against
Raleigh.
So why is it not a crime? Why?
There is a gentleman who sits, what's his name? There's a gentleman who sits on y0u TV also. He said it in plain language that he is surprised that another is not dead. And that God should kill him in a plane crash. So today, if you are showing me,
how should all these be dealt with?
No. So I'm saying that if you are showing me, so if you are showing me these cases, and today you are in government, your conversation shouldn't be that, oh, they've done something, the law should, you are hypocrites. Because when you are in opposition, similar cases, you spoke against it, and the president today wrote a letter to Ofui. All the cases are listed in the letter. I'll give it to you. I can give it to you to share.
No, you condemn all these statements. You say these statements, even if they were said by persons within the party, your party, you don't associate with them. How do we address it?
No. Because it's an issue. Let's agree. Let's agree that we have a difference between morality and crime.
Yes.
Absolutely.
I am a Methodist.
And civil wrong.
Okay, I have went to Sunday school, went through. I can disagree with you. I can debate with you. I'll never insult you. It doesn't mean that another person doesn't reserve the right to insult you. That is his business. For some other citizens, they want to insult you.
They do.
The point is, if I insult you, is it a crime? If I say you, the judge, you are political. There's no crime. I'm not supposed to be in jail for even 30 minutes. I'm supposed to be sued by you.
Yes.
You understand what I'm saying? If I say that the ghost should kill the president, I would never say that in my life. Never in my life would I say that. But if somebody says that the ghost should kill the president, it is not a crime.
Oh, I wish you are dead.
Or I wish that nsUlt is dead. It is not a crime. If nsUlt, even for whatever reason, feels slanted, it is not up to the Ghana police
chairman.
To go and bundle the person.
Former NCA board chairman.
Eduji.
Only a member of this government went to complain